to block ads on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left. After you click on the three lines at the top left, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Settings at the top. After you click on Settings, click on Account Center. In Account Center, click on Profiles. Or, if you scroll down, you'll find Ad Preferences in here as well. Click on Ad Preferences. After you find Ad Preferences, you will find all the ads you've seen. Now, click on See All in Advertiser you saw ads from. Now, to block ad, what you can do is click on their profile, click on Hide Ads, and you will not see any more ads from this advertiser. It may take up to 24 hours, and you can repeat the process of all advertiser. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to block ads on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.